ornate, you say? Less gilded? Wallpaper removal and fresh install completely shifted the energy of this room. Our client came to us with a wallpaper and color palette they loved and were excited to use. So we focused on protecting the home, removing the existing wallpaper, carefully preparing the walls, and setting the stage for the estate's in-house paint crew to deliver a more masculine, tailored, calm, and yacht-inspired look. Sometimes it's not about adding more detail. It's about editing what doesn't feel like you. And yes, sometimes that means doing detailed work just to cover up someone else's details.